Hey everyone, welcome back to Goat Sports. Yeah, I know it's been a quiet week here on the channel. We took a quick break to rest, but now we're back and there's a lot to catch up on at Camp Nou. The City Council has officially approved Barça's return, yet the club says not so fast. We'll break down why they're staying at Montjuic a bit longer and look at all the new progress on site, from fresh concrete pours to the final brackets at Gol Sur. Big news from Barcelona. The City Council has officially approved the partial reopening of Camp Nou. After months of safety checks and paperwork, the club finally received the Phase 1A occupancy license, allowing 27,000 fans inside the new tribune and south stand. On paper, it's the green light everyone's been waiting for. But instead of celebrating a long-awaited homecoming, Barça made a surprising call. They're not going back, at least not yet. The decision comes down to numbers. Playing at Montjuic still makes more financial sense. It holds 55,000 fans, nearly double what Camp Nou can currently host. Returning now would mean losing millions in matchday revenue. So the plan is to wait for Phase 1B, which opens the lateral stands and lifts capacity to 47,000, finally meeting UEFA's standards for European games. That means Barça's true return home won't happen until late 2025, when Camp Nou is ready in full force. Start at the north goal, where the third cantilever of hollow core slabs is nearly halfway complete. Concrete pumping has been on and off, paused during filming, but the pace has been impressive. Workers are installing wooden panels to fill the gaps between slabs and beams, preparing for the next concrete pour. Down below, stairs now have their final coat of paint, while prefabricated stair sections wait nearby for the next phase. On the stadium side, activity is intense. Formwork panels are being placed and removed as pillars are freshly concreted. Reinforcement bars crisscross the area, and the parking section is close to completion, maybe 2 weeks away. Workers are setting up beams and preparing to install spacers and rebar early next week. Once poured, this entire section will mark another big structural milestone toward the final phase. Now to the facade, where the long-awaited Louvres are finally appearing. Only 2 are installed so far, but they're about to become the stars of the show. The presenter even spots a strange green plastic covering over some panels, purpose unknown. Over at Gol Sur, some brackets were removed this week, possibly for adjustment, while cranes hover above for reinstallations. The area known as Zero Zone, where dismantling first began back in 2022, is now seeing the final structural touches. Just 2 brackets remain before this major chapter closes. The presenter even jokes about wanting the last one installed exactly where the rebuild began, symbolic of Camp Nou's rebirth. Back at the Tribune Store area, new alveolar panels have arrived and are being installed fast. Safety nets are in place and formwork removal continues across the corners. The concrete pumps are ready for another pour, while trucks deliver fresh materials. With only 2 brackets left and parking slabs nearing completion, the finish line feels closer each week. But as always, there's still plenty left to do before Barça's fortress fully returns. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like and subscribe to Goat Stadiums. We cover every beam, bracket, and surprise at Camp Nou. Don't miss Monday's video. Things are about to speed up again in Barcelona.